Ever wonder why a simple yawn can turn a whole room into a yawning contest? Scientists believe yawning works like a natural cooling system for the brain, pulling in a rush of fresh air that cools the blood flowing through the skull and helps keep our thoughts sharp. The act also stretches the muscles around the face and lungs, increasing oxygen intake and resetting our alertness level, which is why a yawn often feels like a quick reset button. When you see someone else yawn, mirror neurons in your brain automatically fire, making you imitate the motion without even thinking about it. And this built-in mimicry spreads the signal like a ripple through a crowd. Because this response is hardwired and social. A single yawn can spark a chain reaction, turning a quiet meeting into a chorus of open-mouthed stretches. So the next time you feel that urge, remember it's not just boredom, it's your body's clever trick to cool the brain and stay in sync with the people around you.